Let's compare home care and group homes. It's very well known that group homes are more profitable than home care, but there's something else to it. There is more responsibility to group homes. It costs more money to start in a group home. There's more regulations. There are more complaints. And you are basically a babysitter. Many of you guys, when I talk to you, say, I would like to start a group home and I want to be the employee. But if you just want to work in your company as an employee, why do you need a business? You can just work, go get your nursing degree, go become a nurse practitioner, make $150 an hour. You don't have to have a group home to make a lot of money. There is a fundamental difference between a business owner and someone who just works in their business. As a business owner, your job is to hire people, let them do the job for you, and you move on to improve your business or to actually create more businesses. In this case, more homes. So how do you do that in group home? Well, you can hire a manager who's available 24/7, 40 hours a week, which is required 40 hours a week on the facility, but 24 hours available to run your group home of 3, 4, 5 clients. Can you afford that? See, that's the expense part. Can you afford to hire a full-time house manager in addition to the staff that are running your company? The job of a group home, if there was no medication involved, it would be straightforward, easy. The only problem is you have people in your house. You're responsible for those people. And when usually in home care, we have something called contingency plan. We ask the client, what is the contingency plan? What do I mean by that? What if there was no employee showed up to work today? What is the contingency plan? In home care, the contingency plan is a family member, someone who's available in addition to that client who will take care of them. But in group home, you are the contingency plan. So let's say you're out on a vacation, traveling, and employee doesn't come to work. Suddenly you have some serious problem and you're no longer enjoying your vacation. Okay? The cost of starting a group home is about $60,000 to $80,000 in one home. Okay? Unless you can get the home. Once you get the ball rolling and you can afford to hire a manager, then a group home is more profitable. On the other hand, a home care, you can provide home care PCAs, homemakers, skilled nursing, LPNs, nurse practitioners, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, social worker, nutritionists. All of those people are working for you, but you can provide it one piece at a time, right? You can hire the one person who's going to go do the job. And even if you are the manager for the home care, you don't really need to be there to manage that business because there's a contingency plan for that patient that they can their family member can take care of them. But in a group home, that's not an option. And then you can grow into more services. So you can start with the PCA, add the skilled nursing, add the home health aides, then add the therapist, add the nutrition department, add the social worker department, add the oxygen and respiratory department, and so on and so on and so on. So that the home care department can expand without getting more buildings, more offices. In the group home, you're limited to your license occupancy numbers. So if your group home is a four bedroom, 4 client, well, now in order for you to grow, you have to go get a house. So also the start care of our home care is a lot cheaper. So I always tell people, if you're new to the business, if you don't know what you're doing, and you don't have a lot of money sitting around, then start from a home care. And when you have that home care running, you're billing, money coming in, go ahead and add group homes. Now your home care manager can also manage the group home for you, and go on and so on. But you build it in those steps. But don't rent a $3,000 apartment, $3,000 house, and you're losing money every day because you're just struggling to get those clients and all that. If you own a home care, the home care is paying that house at the beginning, and you're not feeling it so much because it's not coming out of your savings account. So comparing home care and group home is more profitable, but home care is easy to start and easy to manage, and you will have a better. You can learn to manage it better than stressing out and potentially even losing your house because it's just so much work at the beginning. So do the math, compare. Do two columns, pros and cons of each of them. But if you're new to the business, go into the home care business.